Hi, Paul Glenn with MarineMax of Houston. I'm aboard a 2024 Canyon 306 by Grady-White. Starting at the back, we've got color-matched 300 horsepower Yamaha engines. They do have the joystick drive. Great feature here, we've got a dive door on the side. Comes with two ladders, one for the back that's permanent, and then you've got a portable ladder that goes in here. Great door for boarding from the dock or from scuba diving from the water. Joystick we mentioned. Check out this beautiful double helm system. You'll see the gel coat color underneath the top. Already have outriggers. Beautiful head compartment inside. And look at the versatility up front here. All of these cushions are removable, and the backrest can swing out of the way, so you got plenty of room for fishing. Windlass anchor on the front completes the package. And this is an awesome boat for doing a little bit of everything. I'm Paul. Come see me here at MarineMax in Houston.